Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the art of alphabetizing. Whether you're organizing your bookshelf or creating a reference list, understanding the rules of alphabetizing is crucial. Stick around as we explore the key rules, provide examples, and even challenge you with a quiz at the end. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Rule number 1. To alphabetize a set of words, start placing them in ABC fashion. Arrange them according to the first letter of each word. Rule number 2. When the set of words have the same first letters, arrange them according to their second letters. In case the second letters are also the same, move on to the next until you reach the position where you can already alphabetically arrange the given set of words. Rule number 3. When alphabetizing titles, do not consider a, an, and the as part of the title. Instead, arrange them according to the second word of the title. Rule number 4. If you come across similar words, always remember that the shorter words comes first. Why? Because blank space is alphabetized before a letter space. That's why ant comes before ants. Now that you already know the basic rules in alphabetizing words, it's time to take your alphabetizing skills to the test. For our first quiz, try to alphabetize the following names: Rodriguez, Robinson, Rogers. Choose among the choices the letter of the correct answer. Since all names starts with the letters R and O, we now shift our focus on the third letter of each names. Robinson should come before Rodriguez because letter B comes before letter D. This is then followed by Rogers. That's why the correct answer is letter D. BAC. For our second quiz, sort the following book titles: The Great Gatsby, Great Expectations, and Gone with the Wind. Choose the letter with the proper alphabetical arrangements. In alphabetizing titles, we don't include the as part of the title. Therefore, in this case, the correct arrangement is Gone with the Wind, then Great Expectation followed by The Great Gatsby. The correct answer is letter E. CBA. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.